I mentioned before that pointing is part of ASL grammar. So when I point to myself, that's me or I. When I point to you, it's you. I can point over there, it's him or her or it. They, them, whatever. If I point to myself, but I do it to the side. So I point to myself and then everybody else, that becomes we. You start with yourself and then everybody else. People get lazy and they're like, we. Don't do that. Start with yourself and then go to everybody else. So now, possession is with your full hand. So then it's going to be mine. Yours, his, hers, theirs. Then if it's ours, then it's starting with myself and I go to everybody else. So possession is full hand. So for example, your name. Your name, what? Okay, our other vocabulary words. There's house, you outline your house. Table, chair, door, window. You notice those were all double movements. So the difference between chair and sit. If I want a person, like a child, to sit, you do it one time. It's fun to watch somebody who's learning to sign because they'll tell a child with a double movement. What they're doing is they're telling their child, chair. They don't know. They're trying to emphasize, so they do it twice. But a double movement is the noun, so that's chair. So when you have a double movement of a door, that's door. If I want you to open your door, I can go, hey, and then the door, open. Okay, other signs, light. We'll talk about that a whole lot more later, but just learn light for right now. Now we're going to learn some descriptive ones, but these are nouns also. So we have bowl, and then we have cup, we have plate, we have napkin. I've mentioned to you, sometimes we have more than one sign for something. There's knife, and then there's knife. So you need to know that there's two signs for one thing. Same thing with fork. You can have a two-pronged fork or a three-pronged. The two-prong looks like stand, so you need to know the context. Then there's spoon, and then there's chicken, fish, grapes. You can kind of see grapes from that. Apple, onion. That shows you where the location is important. The orange. Banana kind of looks like you're peeling a banana. Milk. OJ. The coffee is grinding your coffee. Water. Tea. There's two ways. You can do it with your index finger or you can do it with your middle finger. Sugar. It's the same sign for sweet. It can be your food is sweet or, aw, look at that little girl. She's so sweet. There's honey. And then bread. If you do it down your hand, it's bread. If you do it this way, it's wood. So the palm, is it this way or is it this way? So your palm orientation is important. Eggs. Eggs is this way, down. So knife, and then there's eggs. So they're very different. Again, the palm, or our 5 parameters are important. Then there's cereal. I don't know why. That's it.